So Ryan, the main reasons why people love this product are the facts that you're going to get results in less than 5 minutes. We're going to do it without sensitivity, Ryan, which is the biggest complaint people have about getting their teeth whitened at the dentist. They're using the strips and the trays, but it also works on all dental surfaces. So anyone watching right now, if you've had caps, crowns, and veneers, you know it looks great when it's done, but over time, your smile goes uneven because they stain. Not anymore, Ryan. Power Swabs will lift those stains, get you back to the bright white smile you had when it was done.
That's awesome. So you have an important test you'd like to share with our viewers about their smile.
Yeah, I'm going to put you on the spot here, Ryan, and give you the would you rather test. So we paneled 100 ladies and said, who would you rather spend time with or possibly kiss? The guy on the left with the yellow stained teeth or that guy on the right with the bright white smile? Ryan, who do you think they chose?
Probably the white smile. Like
You are probably right. Yes, 100% of the ladies said the guy on the right with the whiter smile. But Ryan, then we paneled 100 men. Let's be honest. We know us guys aren't, as picky or choosy with who we'll spend time with or kiss sometimes. Let's be honest. But even 100% of the men, Ryan, said the girl on the right with the whiter smile. So the lesson learned here is that you can look in great physical condition and, people are spending money on procedures and going to the gym. And I'm all for improving yourself physically, don't get me wrong, but you can do all that. And if you smile and you're that person on the left in the would you rather test with the yellow stained teeth, it's definitely going to affect your appearance, Ryan. But on the flip side of that, I don't care if you're someone who feels they're 10 or 15 pounds overweight. If you have a bright white smile, that's all people are going to notice. And with Power Swabs, you're going to get that bright white smile in just 7 days.
Awesome. It really shows how yellow teeth can affect your looks and possibly even your love life. That's insane.
It's really not, and I'm living proof of that. A quick true story. My girlfriend, Ryan, she is drop dead gorgeous. I'm no Brad Pitt, okay? And the first thing she told me she noticed about me, I was hoping it was my biceps, but it was my smile, and I'll take it. But she told me, Scott, I noticed your smile about you first. And like I said, she's beautiful. I'm no movie star. So yeah, you can actually fall in love if you have a bright white smile and find your, man or woman of your dreams.
I believe it. Teeth are some of the first things that you notice about somebody. So I believe it. Would you say Power Swabs is really that easy and quick to use though?
Okay, I see. So I put you up to the would you rather test. Are you challenging me here, Ryan? Right here on your show, not just to tell your viewers, but to show them how simple this is?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, I'm going to do that. Challenge accepted. Because when you get the Power Swabs in the mail, Ryan, you're going to get a box of 7 stain out swabs, box of 7 whitening swabs. And it's literally this simple. You're going to pop the stain out swab open first, rub it on your teeth like I'm doing here for only 2 minutes. And over that 2 minutes, Ryan, we actually remove the stains, but we also hydrate our enamel. That's the key to no sensitivity. People ask me all the time, Scott, why do the strips and the trays hurt so much? That's because they take the moisture out of your enamel, Ryan, and dry it out. That's why you get the sensitivity with those products. With the stain out swab, we're hydrating the enamel so you don't experience that. That's a make or break for a lot of people because like I said at the top, #1 complaint people have about getting their teeth whitened is it hurts too much. Not going to have that with Power Swabs. So you do that for 2 minutes, then you pop open the whitening swab. That's another 2 minutes. And there's the shade chart on your screen, Ryan. What I just showed your viewers in less than 5 minutes, you're going to get on average 2 shades whiter. You're only going to do that once a day for 7 days and get 6 shades whiter. Best part, results last up to 6 months. This is literally changing the way we whiten our teeth in this country and around the world. For your viewers out there, you see the 800 number on your screen. I've been promoting this product for over 8 years now. The momentum is not slowed down because, like you said, it is so unique. I've never seen anything like it on the market. So again, it's 40% off, free shipping, the free quick stick. All you need to do is call that 1-800 number. Again, that's on your screen, and you're minutes away from a brighter, wider smile, bud.
That's awesome. So you can order by calling the 1-800 number or go online to powerswabs.com. Thank you so much for all of this information today and for helping Kern County get brighter smiles because we all need it.
Well, I'm going to go back to my quick stick because I just had my coffee, Ryan.
Right. We love it. Thank you so much.